Welcome to Financial Aid 101, where we will discuss everything you need to know about financial aid. We encourage every student to apply for financial aid. There are two different applications available: the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid, and the California Dream Act application, otherwise known as CADA. You do not have to complete both. Instead, you complete one based on which eligibility requirements you meet. The applications become available every year in October. The California State Financial Aid priority deadline is March 2nd, but there is a second deadline for community college students, which is September 2nd. All applications are based on the prior year's income. For example, 2024-2025 uses 2022 tax information. The FAFSA is the application for U.S. citizens and eligible non-citizens. The FAFSA can be filed anytime before June 30th of the upcoming academic year, but completing the application by the March 2nd priority deadline, since state aid may not be awarded to late applicants. If you are a dependent student, your parent will need to do the contributor portion of the application. If you are an independent student and are married, your spouse will need to complete their portion of the application. Visit studentaid.gov to get started. The CADA allows eligible AB 540, SB 68 eligible students who are undocumented, documented, U visa holders, or temporary protected status holders to receive state financial aid. Students must qualify for the California Non-Resident Tuition Exemption, commonly known as AB 540, which exempts certain students from paying non-resident tuition and/or allows them to apply and receive state aid at certain California public and private colleges. Just like the FAFSA, the CADA is available until June 30th, but most state grants require students to meet the priority deadline. The application can be completed online at dream.csac.ca.gov. The eligibility requirements for AB 540 are: attend a California school, any grades K through 12, for a minimum of 3 years. Graduate from a California high school or pass the California High School Proficiency Exam. Enroll in an accredited and qualified California college or university. SB 68 helped expand AB 540 to enable students to count community college and adult school towards AB 540 eligibility. For further information regarding AB 540 eligibility and to apply, please consult admissions and records. Once your financial aid application is received by Cypress College, your info will be added to our student portal, My Gateway. If you are selected for verification, you will need to provide any requested information. Most verification tasks, except for identity verification, can be completed online at the Cypress College Student Forms website. Your file must be completed for your financial aid eligibility to be established. You can find any outstanding tasks needed to complete your file, including verification, in My Gateway, along with your award information and satisfactory academic progress. Once your file is completed and has been reviewed by the Financial Aid Office, you will receive a financial aid offer via email. Your offer can also be accessed in My Gateway. Your financial aid offer will include important information, including a detailed breakdown of your awards, satisfactory academic progress status, estimated cost of attendance, and additional resources at Cypress College. Satisfactory academic progress, also known as SAP, is the process a school uses to determine if a student is meeting all of their educational requirements and is on target to graduate on time with a degree or certificate. There are 3 components to SAP. The first is that you need to complete a cumulative of 67% of units attempted. For example, say you attempt 12 units. To meet SAP, you must complete 9 of the 12 units you attempt. Second, you need to maintain a 2.0 cumulative GPA. Finally, students cannot exceed the maximum time frame. Federal law requires that students requesting financial aid be able to complete their primary educational goal within 150% of their program length. 150% for those pursuing an associate's degree is 90 units. Students are notified of their SAP status at the end of each semester. Now I will go over several types of financial aid. The first is enrollment fee waivers. The California College Promise Grant, otherwise known as CCPG, will waive the unit enrollment fee for fall, spring, and summer terms. To be eligible for CCPG, you must be a California resident or AB 540 eligible, have financial eligibility determined through FAFSA or CADA, and must meet the CCPG academic and progress standards of a 2.0 GPA or higher and a 50% completion rate. The Charger Experience Program, otherwise known as the North Orange Promise Program, is a tuition fee waiver for those who do not qualify for CCPG. The program offers first-year college students 2 years of free tuition. The Charger Experience Program is designed to provide all incoming students with a foundation for success through direct engagement with academic programs and comprehensive understanding of support services. The eligibility requirements are that you need to complete your financial aid application, be a first-time college student, be a California resident or AB 540 student, and be enrolled full-time. Grants are another type of financial aid. This is money that does not have to be repaid. Some example of grants are the Federal Pell Grant, Federal Supplemental Educational Opportunity Grant, Cal Grant, and Student Success Completion Grant. Some general eligibility requirements are that you need to be a U.S. citizen, eligible non-citizen, or AB 540 student, an undergraduate student, and high school graduate, meet SAP requirements, and have financial need. Self-help aid includes work opportunity and loans. Federal Work Study is for FAFSA applicants only and is on-campus hourly employment that is tax-free. To learn more about state work study, please contact the Financial Aid Office. The Dreamer Service Incentive Program, for CADA applicants only, is a community volunteer service grant. Federal direct loans, for FAFSA applicants only, are loans offered by the federal government and they must be repaid with interest. To request a loan, students must attend a direct loan workshop. See the Financial Aid Office for more information about loans. There are several types of scholarships. Merit and/or need-based awards are based on academic performance, personal achievement, and financial need. Private awards are based on criteria set by a private, non-affiliated organization or individual. Institutional awards are based on criteria set by the college. These awards can be merit and/or need-based. We encourage students to proactively pursue scholarship opportunities independently. For more information about scholarships, please contact the Financial Aid Office. Cypress College uses Bank Mobile disbursements powered by BMTX Inc. to deliver financial aid funds to students. You can choose to receive financial aid funds via direct deposit to your bank, or you may open a checking account with Bank Mobile and use their debit card. Thank you for learning more about financial aid. You can contact the Financial Aid Office for any questions you may have. Our phone number is 714-484-7114.